the word coming out of the RFK camp directly from him is that they're getting Trump to ban any future COVID shots. Well, they just essentially did it. HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., HALTS multi-million-dollar Biden-era COVID-19 vax project that they funded a few months ago to overlap in. They have killed the 10,000 individuals. We're starting to begin clinical trials next Monday, which again then creates all these mutations where the shot actually causes all these new viruses. They just killed that. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy just paused a multi-million-dollar contract from the Biden administration to develop a new COVID-19 vaccine. Kennedy issued a 90-day stop work order on Friday related to the HHS contract. So a lot of good stuff is happening there. I mean, what are you expecting to see on the MAHA front?
Well, I think there's two big fronts that I see that they can have. So take the vaccine front. The best thing they can do is to join or allow Brooke Jackson's case to go forward. Because those that don't remember, Brooke Jackson, big whistleblower, blew the whistle on Pfizer, said the COVID vaccines weren't safe, weren't effective, and they knew it wasn't safe and wasn't effective, wasn't even a vaccine. She saw the early clinical trial data, reported it, blew the whistle. They fired her. So she brought it to the Justice Department. Bill Barr hid it from President Trump. And the whole backstory of this is that Pfizer deliberately sabotaged the delivery of the vaccine until after the 2020 election to hurt Trump. Why? Because they knew they couldn't honor the contract they signed with President Trump. So credit to Robert Kennedy. He's saying, we're going to hold you to your contract. So one of the ways they can do is President Trump and Robert Kennedy can hold Pfizer to their contract. What they promised President Trump was they would deliver a safe, effective vaccine for the prevention of COVID-19. Not a diagnostic, not a therapeutic, a vaccine that would prevent the transmission and infection of COVID-19. What they delivered was not safe, not effective, not even a vaccine, and didn't prevent either transmission or infection of COVID-19. That was a violation of Trump's beautiful contract that he required that they sign. So I'm hoping that we see an escalation in that path. And the easiest way they can do it is they can just step into the Brooke Jackson case. They can step in the Brooke Jackson case, say the government's position is now reversed. They dismissed Brooke Jackson case solely on the grounds that the government was for the vaccine and they couldn't tolerate any lawsuits against the vaccine. That was it. They didn't say her lawsuit had anything wrong with it at all. They didn't say there was anything factually in error at all, anything legally in error at all. So one of the best ways the president can deliver to the American people and Robert Kennedy deliver on the MAHA agenda is to say Brooke Jackson's case against Pfizer should go forward. It is also the best chance to get the money available through recovery to help the vaccine injured, because that's where Brooke Jackson is putting aside the money for, where the government can put the money aside for. So that would be a great step for them to take on the MAHA agenda. But I mean, so far, Kennedy has delivered, Trump has delivered. For them to keep delivering, the best way to do it, join the Brooke Jackson case and restore her right to sue Pfizer for the fraud on the American people that was their COVID-19 vaccine.
As you know, Alex Jones and his intrepid team have scored some of the greatest victories in history against the globalist. But it was only able to happen because of you taking action and spreading the word and following him at Real Alex Jones and sharing the live feeds that our enemies are trying to block. It also takes funds to battle the globalist. That's why he's brought you products at realalexjones.com. Collectible silver coins, tactical daggers, the very best supplements, the widest selection of Patriot apparel to help fund the operation while you get great products at the same time. The only way we fail is if you don't take action. Yes, we've won major battles, but now is the main war. Go now to realalexjones.com and support the broadcast while getting great products. A 360 win. Thank you for your support. Now I'm counting on you.